Hello everyone, welcome back to the QElectroTech tutorial series. In the previous episode, we learned about the QElectroTech interface and created our first project. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to work with electrical symbols. We will learn how to search for a symbol, place it on the drawing, move it, rotate it, duplicate it, and edit its properties. So let's get started. First, open QElectroTech and open the project we created in the previous episode. Open the first folio. This is our drawing area where we'll place the electrical components. Finding an electrical symbol. On the left side, you will find the Elements panel. This panel contains different collections of electrical symbols. You can browse through the collections or you can use the search box to quickly find a particular symbol. For example, let's search for a lamp. Type lamp in the search box. QElectroTech will display the available lamp symbols. Placing a symbol. Now, simply drag the lamp symbol from the Elements panel and drop it onto the workspace. The symbol is now placed on our drawing. You can click on the symbol and drag it to another location. This is one of the easiest ways to arrange your electrical schematics. Selecting a symbol. To select a symbol, simply click on it. You will see that the symbol becomes highlighted. You can now move it or open its properties. To delete the symbol, press the delete key. Let's undo that using Ctrl+Z. Moving a symbol. To move a symbol, click and hold the mouse button on the symbol and drag it to the required position. You can move the symbol anywhere within the drawing area. Try positioning the components neatly. Keeping the symbols aligned will make your electrical drawing easier to understand. Rotating a symbol. Sometimes we need to change the orientation of a component. Select the symbol and use the rotation command. You can rotate the symbol by 90 degrees. For example, if the lamp is horizontal, rotate it so that it becomes vertical. This is very useful when creating wiring diagrams. Copying a symbol. Instead of searching for the same symbol again, we can also make a copy. Select the lamp and use the copy and paste commands. Now we have two identical lamps. This can save a lot of time when a drawing contains several identical components. Opening the properties. Now let's look at one of the most important features in QElectroTech, properties. Right-click on the symbol and select Edit the element or open its properties. depending on your QElectroTech version. The Properties window allows us to change information associated with the component. For example, we can add a label or identification number. Let's give our lamp the label H1. This will identify the lamp in our electrical drawing. Understanding labels. Labels are very important in electrical schematics. For example, H1 lamp, S1 switch, F1 fuse, K1 relay or contactor, M1 motor. The exact designation can depend on the drawing standard you are following. Using consistent labels make a schematic much easier to read. Adding more components. Now let's add a few more components. Search for a switch and drag it onto the workspace. Then search for a lamp and place it beside the switch. Add another component such as a fuse. Arrange the components approximately like this: fuse, switch, lamp. Don't worry about connecting them yet. We will learn about conductors and wiring in the next episode. Aligning the components. When creating an electrical schematic, it's important to keep the components properly aligned. Try to position the components on the same horizontal or vertical line. This will make it easier to connect them later. Take your time and keep the drawing clean. A neat schematic is much easier to understand and troubleshoot. Deleting a component. If you accidentally place a component that you don't need, select it and press delete. You can also use undo if you accidentally delete or move something. Remember, Ctrl plus Z undo, Ctrl plus Y redo. These shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Conclusion. So in today's tutorial, we learned how to search for electrical symbols, place symbols on the drawing, select and move components, rotate symbols, copy and paste components, open and edit component properties, add labels, arrange component neatly, delete unwanted components. Now you should be comfortable working with electrical symbols in QElectroTech. In the next episode, we'll learn one of the most important parts of electrical schematic design: how to connect components using conductors. We will create a simple circuit and learn how to make proper electrical connections. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next QElectroTech tutorial.